Now, white, or more precisely cream, is one of my favorites to wear in summer. I really like white cashmere turtlenecks. This one is from Courage. Ribbed white cashmere goes with everything. You need some. Mohair sweaters always look really cute. Mohair is a wonderful one, especially if you don't have to layer that much, like maybe with a thick coat on top. It looks super sweet. I really like going out with something like this, just over a dress or a little top. Thin white cashmere, something with a little bit of weight and that isn't too long. This gives the impression of being lighter because, as you can see, it's kind of cropped. And you can even pull it inside of your jeans, so it doesn't look quite so heavy. I really love this sweater, it's gorgeous. It's by Theory. If you want, not necessarily with another white sweater, but if you're going to layer, then one of my favorite summery winter things is a blanket style sweater that you can wear by itself or you can layer things underneath. The only issue that I find with this kind of chunky sweater is that it's difficult to put coats on top of it. So you probably want to get a cape or a poncho or just wear it by itself with a really big scarf in a light color. I'm gonna show you this one. This is by the brand AGNONA. Italian brand, extremely expensive but really good. So this is one of my favorite chunky sweaters this year. It's a very light option. You know what I really like underneath this kind of sweater? Something with a white ballet neck and a short sleeve thin wool. Nobody wears it, but it's really good if you're going to wear sleeves that are 3/4 to keep things light. And so let's build this look. We have the chunky sweater with a top that you've layered underneath. We have this big cashmere scarf. A taupe color works really well, like this one. I really like these long gloves because this is a 3/4 sleeve. You're wearing your gloves, which go all the way up to your elbows. Here's an option. You don't really need the beret, it's just too much going on right now. Ponytail makes it a bit less serious. And then I have this very, very thick wool cape. Here's an option that I really like, and it's over the knee boots with a short jacket. I've kept this black because I just think otherwise the balance is thrown a bit off. I really like the pajama option in winter, so you can wear a printed shirt. Prints are one of the huge things that we tend to only wear in summer, and that can look a bit weird in winter depending on what you're wearing, to be honest, because you can look a lot like a curtain or like a rug. So stick with shirts in silk with good quality prints that don't look like you just went through a market and picked up a bunch of things from the floor. So I have light jeans, which are very summery, they're bootcut. I'm wearing my clogs with socks. A a very comfortable outfit, and you can wear something black over it. Several options for this. So one of my favorites, as you know, is the Max Mara coat. This Max Mara coat with the light jeans, I think it just looks really cool. So this is me in my shearling with my light jeans and my clothes. You know, another element of summer that we can bring